Let's make a tapioca with chilies, the crushed chilies and spices. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. We need 300 grams of tapioca cleaned and cut. On a medium flame, boil the tapioca. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Bring to boil and let it boil until it's soft. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil onto a hot pot. When it's hot, add half teaspoon of mustard. Let the mustard cracks. 3 pieces of dry red chilies. Crushed 4 pieces of garlic and saute until it's golden in color. Add finely chopped red onions, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Saute for 2 minutes. Onions still crunchy. Add 2 teaspoons of crushed chilies, half teaspoon of chili powder. Saute for 30 seconds. Turn off the flame. The tapioca are ready. So drain it and add the tapioca to the spice mix. Give a quick mix. Make sure the tapioca is well coated with the spices. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure